Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rouge, and we're going to go over how you would change your battery. If your battery's dead, you need to change it out, what you need to do. So first you need to pull this tab. This is just a rubber grommet under here. Pull the tab over here on this side, and up here would be a push pin that goes inside, and this is your air cleaner back here. But you're going to remove this by popping it up, that tab, and popping that tab out, and set that to the side. Here's your battery, and here's the clamp that holds it down. So we've got to undo this. This is your negative. So this is a size 10. Loosen that, and then when that's loose, then you can put your negative battery cable away. And then same thing with this one. You're going to want to loosen the positive. And then put that out of the way there. And then we need to undo the two bolts. We don't have to undo these completely, but we got to loosen them enough that we can turn them. They're called a J-hook. And we got to be able to turn them so that they're not attached to the bottom there. And this is also a number 10 and a number 10. So you're going to need a deep socket for the So if you've got one loose, you don't need to do too much on the other one. And see, this is the J-hook, and it has a little hole down there that it grabs, and so when it's in, it's just turned like this, and then when you tighten it, it tightens down this whole clamp to hold it in. So with that removed and set to the side, this happens to have a handle on the battery, and this way you can just pick up the whole battery. We have a little cover that goes around this battery, and we have it, so we'll keep it. If you don't have it, it's not completely crucial to keep. So when you got your new battery, so I've got that in place, and then, like I said, there's this little shield. Kind of put it on the battery before you dropped it in, or you can just slip it down around the outside there. Have your battery sitting in the battery tray, and then you're just going to take this J-hook, drop it down. That one goes into place. Do the same on the back one. You can just tighten it up. Just note it's all good and tight in the spot, and we can go ahead, hook up our positive, tighten that up. And then the negative. Right. And then the last thing, just go ahead, put this cover back on. And there's some tabs to line up in the groove here on your air cleaner. So get those lined up the best you can. And then just drop that down, and that is how you would replace your battery on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.